After reading Dr. Greenblatt's and Kayla Grossman's 2016 book, Nutritional Lithium, A Cinderella Story, it sounds like lithium is a Cinderella nutrient, especially in terms of brain health. It's hard to believe that one nutrient can have such a profound effect on the way we experience life. Lithium modulates dopamine, it optimizes serotonin, reduces excess glutamate, decreases inflammation, and suppresses pro-inflammatory cytokines. It also increases concentrations of a key chemical messenger, N-acetyl-aspartate, NAA, in the human brain. Studies have shown that higher levels of NAA are predictive of better long-term cognitive function. Lithium protects the brain against free radicals, helps with B12 and folate metabolism. It also reduces excess arachidonic acid while bolstering the DHA. The brain has a class of growth factors called neurotrophic factors. These proteins signal particular cells in the brain to survive, differentiate, or grow. Lithium stimulates the circulation of at least two of them: brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, and neurotrophin-3, NT3. The brain has a unique way of cleaning up debris from dead or damaged cells called autophagy. Lithium stimulates autophagy and has been shown to remove unwanted amyloid beta and tau proteins, which have been associated with Alzheimer's and dementia. While it helps manage the healthy clearing of unwanted cells, it also assures that excess cellular destruction or unchecked apoptosis does not take place. And if that's not enough, MRIs have documented that lithium has been shown to increase the size of gray matter in the brain. As you know, gray matter in the brain is responsible for processing information, acquiring knowledge, judgment, problem solving, and decision making, even language. Other studies have shown lithium to increase the part of the brain associated with emotion and memory, the hippocampus. But of all the neurotrophic factors, the most intriguing come from a study that assessed what happened to an isolated nerve cell when it was bathed in a lithium solution. Remarkably, this lone cell began to regenerate and grow when exposed to lithium. Dramatic changes were seen in the number and length of dendrites of the neuron. Other studies have revealed that tissue exposed to lithium show a striking increase in the proliferation of progenitor cells, the stem cell-like precursor cells that rapidly divide to create new tissue. There are two ways to use lithium: pharmaceutically and nutritionally as food. The prescription product, lithium carbonate, is a salt. 100 milligrams of the total salt yields 18.6 milligrams of elemental lithium. Long-term dosing of lithium carbonate is usually 600 to 1800 milligrams of the total salt, which comes to 113 to 344 milligrams of lithium per day. On the other hand, 100 milligrams of lithium orotate contains 3.83 milligrams of elemental lithium. As you can see, based on the salt that's used, elemental levels of lithium will be different. Biotics uses an entirely different food-based delivery system. Their unique vegetable culture process allows lithium to be integrated into the plant as part of the growing process. The organic food-based tablet not only contains the desired mineral, it contains the enzyme, mineral, and antioxidant cofactors that are naturally found in plants. L-Izyme contains 50 micrograms of elemental lithium per tablet, whereas L-Izyme Forte contains 150 micrograms of elemental lithium per tablet. L-Izyme is a smaller tablet and can be used with children. Many doctors use a loading dose of 2 tablets per waking hour for 10 days, then 2 tablets 3 times a day. This may seem like a big dose. However, 2 tablets only yields 300 micrograms. So in a 16-hour day, a patient will receive 4.8 milligrams of a food-based elemental lithium. Dr. Greenblatt goes into multiple mechanisms for the use of lithium for Lyme disease, Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and even shares how lithium is important in shaping our genes. He has 3 criteria that he uses for recommending lithium therapeutically. And if any one of the 3 is present, he suggests a clinical trial of lithium. First, from an objective laboratory perspective, he performs a trace mineral analysis using hair as tissue on every patient. Because serum levels will maintain homeostasis even when cellular levels are depleted, he feels a hair tissue sample is a better indicator. Next, is there a possibility of a genetic weakness seen by a family member who has experienced mental illness? Finally, subjectively, if a patient complains of irritability as one of their complaints in their initial intake, he suggests a clinical trial. Lithium has some other alkalizing and electromagnetic properties that make it invaluable in physical conditions as well. So we'll come back to visit lithium on another day. But for now, if you sense any patient is emotionally overwhelmed, has a trace mineral analysis lithium level that's low, consider a trial of L-Izyme Forte for 60 days. I mentioned on occasions that one of the pioneers in functional medicine, Dr. Jonathan Wright, has been taking it for years prophylactically to increase the gray matter in his brain. Based on his personal commitment to taking it and Dr. Greenblatt's new book, I consider lithium to be one of the unsung mineral heroes when it comes to a healthy brain. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next Tuesday.